we are enjoying today is a gift from God. Definitely it's a gift from God. But the but there is, sometimes, if not most of the time, we people tend to abuse it. And worse, we even feel sometimes, we sometimes replace God with technology. We may not know about it, we may not be conscious about it, but sometimes we need more, we need our cell phones more, we need our Google more than the altar. And that's
sa Pasko, ang atong feast day kay Uban gamay ang senior, so everybody can join ha, doon naman si Slin. Even though if you're not part of the feast day team, pwede din mo mukuyo, no? Kay of course kanang atong daygunan, kay snakon po siguro tayo na. So pwede rin dito mukuyo, no? We will coordinate na ang atong